What is going on today, YouTube? And today is going to be another GTA 5 single player video. I'm not sure, I don't think I bought it yet.
This is Weasel News.
Construction has begun on the Canada to Los Santos pipeline.
That's the thing I like single player, you spend money, but it doesn't matter.
Canada has three things.
Purchase
Really strong weed, bring ice sports, and pristine drinking water. Los Santos city officials have announced that the San Andreas aquifer is
the only reason why I don't want to buy it
polluted. So
is
construction
because it's
has
$10 million.
begun on a pipeline that will bring Canadian lake water to thirsty residents here. A city official said, quote, draining pristine wetlands has been brilliant for the environment here. So local governments in Canada who sold us water rights have a great future to look forward to.
I'm not sure that. I think I might have, I have like no money.
The I-5 streetcar scandal continues to worsen.
Alright, let's find out where to get these things.
Data theft, they have been instructing drivers to prioritize the download of taxi home photos and videos so they can monetize them online.
I have my hanger. My hanger's all the way up here. Are you kidding me? That's gonna be the longest drive ever. That is stupid. Somebody give me a car.
Corporate headquarters today was said to be pretty much the same as always. A bunch of nerds in shirts and flip-flops fighting unicycles around and playing ping pong.
Let's spawn down here. Hopefully. I think I already have a nice car pimped out in the impound now. Oh my god. Alright, we just got destroyed by that light pole. I did not think that would have happened. Alright. Cops, don't worry about me, I'm just checking out my motorcycle. Dang, that thing goes hard in the absolute pain. Where does that come from? Yeah. Oh, with that. Trevor's gonna take that crap later. If there ain't no good cars, I'm taking it. What's up, Osiris? That sounds good. Hey, there we go. There we go. Why don't I pimp this thing out? This thing's pimped. Holy crap. Let's check out our surroundings. I don't see no cop. Except that one up there. Alright. Jump on it, Trevor, go! No, get on it, go! Ah, no, they're not even gonna notice. They're not even gonna notice. They're not even gonna notice. They never notice. Oh my god. Did I just rob that completely successfully? Did I just get away from them? Yes! No! 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 This guy, don't run over my head.
What is going
Give me my motorcycle. Did I really not just get the cops? I don't think I got cops. I don't think I ever got... No, definitely never got cops. How do I turn the lights on this thing? Oh, there we go. Now I'm the cops now, fools. Let's go. We out, Trevor. This is Trevor they stole it for that mission. What are you doing, dude? Stop in the middle of the road. What's wrong with that guy? Alright, Trevor, you got this, I believe. Don't let that guy caught or stay in the middle of the way, you know. Come on! Don't his bus, alright. Dang, this thing can handle. Oh. That was the most abrupt stop ever. That was like the fastest stop. How can I get some cops from this thing? Everybody, whoa my god, that was way too close. Oh, this is where you get caught. You go down to the beach, you just like blast these on them.
Let's see what you got!
Yeah, stronger gun, this thing just like scratching me. Oh, later, cops. Oh, how I got that. I want like 5 stars. No, you stupid idiot! Why are you so big? How did I do that? How is that possible? Nah, I want to murder you. Get freaking crap. Oh my god, no! Oh my! Oh, come on here! No! Oh, I thought I was getting flung off the No! Why are these guys so freaking huge? Stop making me crash! Rally! No, cop! Don't shoot me! I'm gonna die to the helicopter. Helicopter. Coming in mad, man. Oh, what are you? We're going out there. I'll throw it on my circle. Oh man. What is it? Is it a freaking like white panther? What is it? There's so much blood on this thing. Where's the helicopter? How's he not getting out? These cops ain't got nothing around. You know, like, part of the faction, like Bugatti, C1. This thing murdered this house. Is this like a bike trail? Like a bush and road? It looks like a bike trail. Definitely looks like a trail. Oh, maybe not a person trail. He was walking there. Oh no, can't cops. No! What are you doing? That's not you! Alright, perfect. The cops were like right there. I thought it was a good number. That almost disgusting. Alright, let's make up these stairs. I don't know what I'm doing, but Trevor looks so mad right now. Looks like he just got punched in the nose. His nose is all bloody. I wonder if we can make it to the roof. Oh, this is the roof. Is there more stairs? Oh, there is. Come on. We're just chilling, driving, more stuff. We're just building. Whatever. I'm pretty sure in real life, motorcycles don't take stairs this easily. Just guessing. Yeah, I can jump from this building to that building. I think I can do it. How far Jack? Oh yeah, we got that. We got it. Put your helmet on, Trevor. Stars and stripes, let's go. Come on, we can do it. Alright, so the plan here is Papa Willie, pull on the gas as hard as possible, and hope for the best. I know this would work with a street bike. I don't know about an old, big cop motorcycle. I believe in you, number 62969, whatever. 69269. I wonder if that's perfect. Alright. No! Oh, I thought we were just getting launched off the side of the building. I just stumped on the brake. Alright. Fail number 1. No! And he just launch chairs off the back and the bike just was standing really for like 10 minutes. That makes total sense. I don't think it's gonna work. Try one more bite. See if this works. Nope. And dead. What are you doing, Trevor? What is this bike? What? Did that just... You are super bike. This thing can just like handstand by itself. I guess I gotta go all the way down from the staircase now. That sucks. Not having one. Landed it. Not having it either. Oh, come on. No, no, no! Oh, my bike's smoking orange. Nope. I thought that was a guardrail. Nobody in the backyard's gonna get pretty wonderful with it. Creeping as a creep. Trevor. I just like launch this motorcycle right into that pool. I tried to press Y, it didn't work. Alright. Or we launch us over the pool. Okay.
Oh, give me a break.
That happened. Where'd the bike go? And the bike didn't even make it in the pool. Are you freaking kidding me? Nothing made it in the pool. That's cool. I suck at this. I wonder if we can get out of this person's yard now. Maybe I can destroy their table. Not really. Oh, yep, right on now. Foreclosure, man. I'll buy this house. I'm pretty sure that's not that neat, but... Oh man, this bike is dead. Like, dead. Now I can't be taken down, but it's starting to die. Aren't we supposed to be doing... to go get a jet? I completely forgot about all that. Whoops. Please have a helicopter, or... motorcycle. Much more important, apparently. I'm gonna jump in this thing. Just because this thing's starting to die. And... it's probably gonna die before we get there, apparently.
Don't want to carpool with me.
We'll just rob this thing. Dude, I'm a cop, don't worry, there's my cop motorcycle right there. I just borrow on this guy's car. I gotta go. That thing's starting to break down, I gotta go catch this guy. Come back here! You just hit that up like... I'm not chasing anybody, I was just trying to make an excuse for you. I love the filters in this game. I don't know why. I feel like everybody hates them, but they look so good. There's a lot of customization. Not really, though, but it makes it look really good. Alright, we're just gonna like jump this guy. There we go. Well, there's no gunshots, so... No! Do not go in that bridge, I swear to God. That was so... Tank store vehicle. Oh, that's cool. Let's see what else I got. Wait, what? I gotta like stand on this platform and a frog. That sucks. I'm nothing good. Trevor is so disgusting. He has like black sweat on his back from wearing this shirt for like 3 weeks probably. Like 3 pounds of blood. How do I... Bestra? Is it Bestra? I think it's this one, isn't it? Huh? Select! 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 Where's my jet? Maybe I gotta take the helicopter and fly them. That's frickin' bull, man. Oh, it's right over there. I'm so frickin' stupid. Why would it spawn it so far away I can't even see it? That's so frickin' retarded. Oh, yeah, well, we'll spawn it all the way over here for you. That's frickin' retarded. Come on. Like, give me a camouflage jet that's green and throw it against the freaking back. There you go. That's real smart. We're in our this jet right now. I think we will get that. Holy crap, this thing is too fast. Wow. Whoa. I can't take speeds. Oh. But I thought that. Oh my god. That was good run. That's it. Alright. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna circle up. Big plane up there. Can we even go that high? Pretty sure we can't go that high. They used to not be that high. They definitely weren't that high. I don't think we can go that high. I mean, it looks like we're up that much, right? Yeah, we're definitely not that good. But, look how freaking high we are in there. It's everywhere. First person. Whoa, the freaking... Whoa, look at the canyon. I'm gonna lose it. Look at the airplane. Like, cool. Oh man, I thought I just freaking pressed one. I was like... I mean, it looks like we're catching this guy. It doesn't. Oh yeah, we're definitely catching this guy. Yeah. We're catching. We are catching. 100% no doubt. Yeah. No doubt about it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here. Come on. Come on. What? What is going on? What just happened? What is going on here? This is like my worst nightmare actually happened. That. What? I'm just confused why my freaking wing just flew off. And that airplane just flying away. Yep, that guy's dead. That is freaking bullcrap. How did that freaking just happen? Alright, I think that's gonna do it for today, guys, on Grand Theft Auto 5. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And as always, peace. See you on the next one.